How to change device name on Android tablets. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on an Android tablet and want to change its device name, then here's how you do it. First of all, unlock your tablet and then open up the Settings application. Inside the Settings menu that appears on the screen, select About Tablet on the top left. Right after you do that, click on the device name option and go ahead and write down a new name, erasing the current one. After typing it down, click on the check mark at the top right corner and you have successfully changed the device name for your Android tablet. That's it. Your Android tablet now has a brand new device name. It is a small change, but it makes your tablet easier to recognize when connecting to other devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.